All right, we're tackling one of science's biggest mysteries, consciousness. Let's jump right in.
Seems simple, right? But this question gets to the very heart of the consciousness puzzle.
And there's a name for this, the hard problem. It's not what the brain does, but why it feels like something. See, the key is distinguishing the brain's mechanics from the actual mystery of experience itself. So how are scientists trying to map this internal world? Well, the landscape of theories is vast. How vast? A 2024 review found over 200 distinct theories. Yeah, over 200. These theories fall into some pretty broad categories, but let's zoom in on the biggest one.
That would be materialism. The basic idea? The answer is somewhere in the physical stuff of the brain.
To make this simple, let's focus on two leading theories, which are actually battling it out right now. In one corner, we have Global Neuronal Workspace Theory, or GNWT. In the other, Integrated Information Theory, IIT. So GNWT says consciousness is like information broadcast on a global stage, but IIT says it's all about interconnectedness. And here's the crazy part. They predict consciousness lives in totally different parts of the brain. So you've got two powerhouse theories. One says the front of the brain, the other says the back. So how do you even test this? Well, scientists came up with a really clever way to find out. It's called an adversarial collaboration. Basically, you get the rivals to design one experiment to test both ideas. And that's just what the Cogitate Consortium did. They put these two theories head-to-head in the lab. And the results? Kind of a surprise for everyone. Neither theory was a perfect fit. The plot thickens. Okay, so this isn't just an abstract puzzle. This research has some massive real-world implications. And the biggest one might be about AI. If a machine gets complex enough, could it actually become conscious? Some theories even suggest a mathematical threshold for it, a number that could give an AI moral standing. And it's not just AI. It impacts clinical care, animal welfare, and even the law. Yeah, as we learn more, it really starts to challenge our legal ideas about free will and responsibility. Which leaves us with one last big question. If we solve this, what happens to the mystery of being human?